Users of the one-screen core enjoy seamless connectivity with external sources through its multiple input ports. The USB-C in ports at the front and at the side allow you to transfer video, audio, and touch. That is the ability to use your device using touch on the core. You can also use these ports for charging your devices. The front port delivers power up to 65 watts, whereas the side port delivers up to 15 watts. The HDMI in port transfers video and audio, and to have touch capability, connect one end of the touch cable on the USB touch port and the other end to your device. Remember, the touch port on the side provides touch capability to the HDMI 1 and 2, and the touch port at the bottom provides touch capability to the HDMI 3 port on the front. Users also have an option to purchase an OPS PC that plugs in directly into the core, allowing them to have a built-in PC with full Windows capabilities. If you've purchased the OPS and need additional instructions to install it, open the description of this video for the PDF guide. Once a device is plugged in, select your desired source by pressing the source button on the home page and choose from the available options. You can also use multiple sources simultaneously in picture-in-picture mode or fully switch to them